Today, the case of the animals versus the humans will be heard. Let the proceedings begin.
Your Honor, once this planet was our shared home, but humans have made it a battlefield. Forests are gone, rivers are poisoned, brothers are extinct. Why should they not be punished? For every stripe on my back, a brother lost his breath. They hunted us not for food, but to satisfy their greed, for trophies, for fashion, for thrill.
Moving effortlessly through the branches of trees with grace and agility, we were once symbol of stealth. Now we are clothes in the closets.
They didn't just cut down trees, they tore down generations. They destroyed our home, not just branches, our family tree. They turned forests into furniture. We had a home, now it's a parking lot.
The rivers that once carried life now carry pesticides and fertilizers. My ocean is choking for the sake of their progress. Oil and nets have entangled our freedom.
My home is gone. My family is scattered. Is this justice?
They coined the phenomena and defined the power of the butterfly effect. And now, they themselves have forgotten its vitality.
Once a cradle of life, now a grave of waste. My pond is now a plastic dump.
The skies have seen, the soil has remembered, the oceans have mourned, and I have listened. Human, how do you plead?
Guilty. I understood, but I ignored. Because I believed that I had everything in abundance, and thus I misused. Not realizing once it is contaminated, even if I had surplus, it will be of no use. I was blind, selfish. I thought it all belonged to me. But I want to change if it's not too late.
Your regret can mend nothing, but your responsible action can. Since action is the seed of redemption, you will plant back what you have destroyed. You will clean what you have polluted. You will protect what you once hunted. Else, every day you spend on earth will be a sentence. So, I hereby give you not a punishment, but a responsibility.